and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
On live to GTV Africa at this moment. The situation at the APC secretariat is somehow tense. The party chairman has just arrived in the midst of a long crowd. He just entered the party secretariat. Now, at this point, you can see what is going on. You know, GTV is always on ground to bring to you happenings at all times. He entered with the number of people that led him into this place. You are on live to GTV Africa, live from APC Secretariat. We are on live to GTV Africa, live from APC Secretariat. Situation here somehow tense. One cannot go outside. Some of the party chairmen are just walking in, while others are still finding their way into the place. Well, we are able to enter to a point, and the situation is somehow tense at this point. Well, arrival of some governor. We don't know whether it's governor or party chairman, but some people are just. Some people are just walking in. This is Governor Bello of Niger State. Governor Bello of Niger State just arriving. Well, this is the signal that the meeting is about to commence as the arrival of the party caretaker chairman has signified movement of people into the building. Also, at the moment, we have Niger State's governor arriving into the building. GTV is always on ground to bring happenings and to you. Well, inside there, the supporters that went in are coming out. Numbers of supporters that came along with the chairman of the party are still struggling to find their way. The gate is now opened for those that have functions to do. I can see an entrance of another governor, I believe, that's just coming in. Continue to follow us, click following, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, click follow so that you can have access to other things that will be happening right from here. And the GTV will be bringing to you happenings at every time, at all the times, to your doorsteps. Well, the environment, the area that was so empty earlier, is now congested with people as the security operatives are having a field day to set environment clean. GTV is always on ground for you to get happenings. So kindly follow, click follow, like, follow, so that you can be notified whenever things is going on or is happening, so that you will not miss anything. The hay house there is blue. I can just use that word blue, but as you can see, if you can peep to see right inside of inside, you see how people gathered and how things are. We are home live to GTV Africa, live from Abuja, APC Party Secretariat. Yeah, the APC is set to inaugurate the chairman, party chairman in the state. And, you know, before now, there are issues in some states. Some states are having two executives of the same state. And as they're having two executives in the state, it's a challenge to the party to resolve and to make things work. One of the two will be inaugurated, and not every one of them will be inaugurated, but one out of two will be inaugurated. So today it's expected that the party is going to choose which one is going to be inaugurated. It is going to be inaugurated today among the two sets of them that are all over. And that is a serious job that the party will need to carry out. Well, the area view of this place is what you are seeing. Uh, Everyone is standing. You don't know who is who. The security are just standing by, waiting for further instruction that will be carried out. Yes, that's the arrival of another fellow. I want to believe it's one of the big wings in the party that has access to drive in.
This is the problem with the readers. The fight they are fighting now is just for who will be the chairman of APC. You know election is coming. Their election is coming. Just imagine. Hope the world is watching them. Can you imagine this? Readers fighting this type of fight just for this APC chairman. Everybody want their person to be the chairman. This is the way we have found ourselves. So my mother family, do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you from GTV Africa. Join this family and make us great again. Take us to the permanent site, okay? See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.